Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 ultra slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on this device. To do that, click on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen, then click on the Wi-Fi icon to make it turn blue, and once it turns blue you'll be able to select a network that you want to connect to by clicking on the arrow icon next to it. Now once you select the network that you want to connect to, you can hit this checkbox to connect automatically to the network, and or just click connect to connect to it once. And if needed, you'll also have to provide the security key for the network, but if you connected to it previously, you won't have to do this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.